If you want to use GameMaker on your home computer, first you're going to have to install it. Simply, from Schoology, go to the Computer Programming Club, and then on the Computer Programming Club, what you're going to want to look for are the resources. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see a link for Yo-Yo Games. Yo-Yo Games is the company that makes GameMaker, so all this link is really doing is taking you to their website, yoyogames.com. On the Yo-Yo Games website, if you look under the GameMaker tab, scroll down to the bottom and look for Windows, you're going to click on that link and it's going to take you to this page. Now at school we have GameMaker 8.1, the full version, but you have to pay for it. So at home, if you just want to use GameMaker 8.1 Lite, you can download it for free and use it at home. Now I've already downloaded it and I have it saved on my desktop. Very simple. You just double click on the icon for GameMaker installer, go ahead and hit run, agree to the terms, and you do want to leave start menu shortcuts checked because it's going to make it easier for you to find GameMaker in the future on your computer. Hit next. It's going to save it in a special folder. I am using Windows 7. If you're using a different version of Windows or Mac, it's going to be a different folder that it installs to, but pay special attention that it's going to only install it for you on the computer. So anybody else that logs on to the computer on a separate account won't be able to play with GameMaker. Go ahead and hit install, and that's it. Hit next. If you want to go ahead and check it out, just leave that Start GameMaker option checked and hit finish. It's just building a couple of things the first time you use it. Every time you use the Lite version, it's going to ask you, do you want to purchase it or did you already purchase it? Well, obviously, if you don't want to pay money to use GameMaker, you can just close this window and you won't have to pay for anything. Now, the program should be installed. Notice again, you're using GameMaker 8.1 Lite. At school, we're using the standard version, which means we paid for it. We won't see that little pop-up window that you just saw a second ago, and there's actually a bunch of other actions and events that we'll talk about later that you'll have at school but not have access to at home. The good thing is, though, anything you make in the free version of GameMaker, you can bring to school and continue working on it in the full version or the paid version. That's it.